Easy tips to keep your plumbing in shape with infinite innovations. Tech to take care of your plumbing to make it last longer. These tricks work well in your bathroom, where most water is used. Some also help with other parts of your plumbing. These are simple tips for a smoothly flowing plumbing system. Here are 25 handy tricks. Tip 1. Revitalize your shower head. Bring back the rejuvenating power of your shower experience by placing the shower head in a bag filled with white distilled vinegar. Securely tie the bag, allowing it to soak for a day or two, effectively breaking down mineral deposits that may hinder optimal water flow. After this soaking period, run the shower at full power to flush out any remaining residues. Repeat this process if necessary to ensure your shower head maintains peak performance. Tip 2. Detect leaks in your toilet. Uncover potential leaks in your toilet by conducting a simple test. Add a few drops of food coloring to the toilet tank and wait approximately 20 minutes. Afterward, inspect the bowl. If the water color changes, it indicates a leak that requires prompt attention. Acting promptly to address leaks can save water and prevent potential water damage. Tip 3. Refresh your faucet aerator. Enhance water flow and maintain the efficiency of your faucet by unscrewing the aerator and allowing it to soak overnight in white vinegar. This process effectively dissolves mineral deposits that accumulate over time. After reinstalling the aerator, run water through it to ensure clarity and consistent water pressure. Consider repeating this maintenance step periodically for prolonged, optimal performance. Tip 4. Preserve shower drain efficiency. Ensure your shower drain remains clog-free by incorporating a monthly maintenance routine. Pour a few liters of hot water down the drain to eliminate any hair buildup that may lead to clogs. Follow up with warm water to ensure a thorough flush, keeping your drain functioning smoothly and preventing potential blockages. Tip 5. Integrate a hair catcher. Upgrade your plumbing maintenance by using a hair catcher in the shower, which is particularly beneficial for households with long hair. This simple yet effective device is a reliable strainer for your bathtub drain, preventing hair-related clogs and ensuring trouble-free water flow. Incorporating these preventive measures contributes to a hassle-free and efficient plumbing system in your home. Tip 6. Clear a mild drain clog. Tackle a minor drain blockage by creating a solution of equal parts baking soda and vinegar. Pour this mixture down the drain and follow it with a flush of hot water. This simple but effective method can help break down and clear mild buildup, keeping your drains running smoothly. Tip 7. Check for leaks in your water. Stay proactive with leak detection by using your water meter. Before bed, record the meter reading and compare it to the morning reading. A noticeable change may signal a plumbing leak that requires attention. Tip 8. Purchase strainers for kitchen drains. Enhance the health of your kitchen drains by investing in strainers. These handy devices act as gatekeepers, preventing larger food scraps from entering and potentially causing blockages. This proactive measure ensures your kitchen plumbing stays trouble-free. Tip 9. Choose the right plunger. Tailor your plunging approach to the type of clog. While the familiar cup plunger is not ideal for toilets, a flange plunger, or even better, an accordion plunger, provides superior suction for tackling those tough clogs effectively. Tip 10. Warm up your plunger. Maximize the effectiveness of your plunger by running it under hot water before use. This simple step softens the rubber, ensuring better suction and improved performance when clearing clogs. Tip 11. Seasonal checklist. Maintain a proactive approach to your plumbing with a tailored seasonal checklist. This manageable list of tasks for each season provides reassurance, ensuring your plumbing operates smoothly throughout the year. Regular checks and preventive measures contribute to the overall health of your plumbing system. Tip 12. Winterize outside taps. Protect your outdoor taps by turning them off from winter's chill. As part of your winter checklist, disconnect hoses and close the taps before the first freeze. If equipped with a shut-off valve leading to the outdoor faucet, close and drain it for added protection during the colder months. Tip 13. Avoid liquid drain cleaners. Opt for alternatives to liquid drain cleaners, which can damage your pipes over time and often contain harmful chemicals. Choosing safer methods ensures the longevity and integrity of your plumbing system. Tip 14. Mindful garbage disposal. Use. Exercise caution with the garbage disposal. Refrain from disposing of grease, oil, fats, starchy items like potato skins, or fibrous materials such as corn husks or onion skins. This mindful approach helps prevent clogs and sustains efficient garbage disposal. Tip 15. Recognize signs of hard water. Keep an eye out for signs of hard water, such as white calcium buildup on fixtures like shower heads. Early identification allows you to address potential issues promptly, preserving the condition of your plumbing pipes over time. Regular observation ensures a proactive stance against potentially challenging water-related problems. Tip 16. Schedule a plumbing inspection. Stay ahead of potential issues by arranging a professional plumbing inspection. This proactive measure can uncover any lingering concerns before they escalate into noticeable problems, ensuring the ongoing health of your plumbing system. Tip 17. Secure your home before vacation. Before heading on vacation, shut off the water flow to your toilets and sinks. Locate the valves beneath the sink and behind the bathroom for easy access. This precautionary step helps prevent leaks or water damage while you're away. Tip 18. Arrange trusted oversight. When away, enlist the help of a trustworthy friend or relative to check on your plumbing periodically. This ensures early detection of any emerging issues. During extended winter vacations, avoid turning off the heat completely to prevent pipes from freezing, adding an extra layer of protection. Tip 19. Know your shutoff valve. Familiarize yourself with the location of the shutoff valve. In a plumbing emergency, having this knowledge allows you to swiftly cut off the water supply, mitigating further damage until professional assistance arrives. Tip 20. Call professionals. When in doubt, if faced with a plumbing issue beyond your expertise, it's wise to seek professional help. Fixing complex problems without the necessary knowledge can lead to complications and potential long-term costs. Rely on skilled professionals to address plumbing concerns effectively. Tip 21. Swift action for leaky faucets. A proactive approach to a leaky faucet involves immediate action, calling a plumber upon first notice. Early intervention allows for simple, minor repairs, preventing the issue from worsening over time. Waiting a few months may lead to increased damage and more costly repairs. Regular maintenance checks and immediate professional assistance can save money and potential water waste, promoting the longevity of your plumbing fixtures. Tip 22. Leave major plumbing to professionals. While home improvement shows and DIY plumbing blogs offer insights, they don't make you a master plumber. Plumbers undergo years of training and hands-on experience. For significant plumbing issues, it's best to rely on professionals to avoid potential complications and save yourself unnecessary headaches. Their expertise ensures effective solutions, preventing further damage and ensuring the optimal functioning of your plumbing system. Tip 23. Conserve water. Save money. A leaky toilet can waste significant water, equivalent to filling an Olympic-sized swimming pool in a year. Be mindful of the impact on your water bill and address leaks promptly to avoid unnecessary expenses. Timely repairs save you money and contribute to water conservation efforts, promoting responsible water usage in your household. Tip 24. Nocturnal toilet running. Some toilets run primarily at night due to lower water usage during these hours. In many municipal water systems, water pressure rises considerably during the night. If you notice your toilet running only during these times, check if your tank's water level is too high. Adjusting the water level can optimize water usage, ensuring efficiency and minimizing water waste. Tip 25. Adjust water level for nighttime running. If you observe your toilet running solely in the middle of the night, consider adjusting the water level in your tank. Lowering the water level can prevent unnecessary water waste during nighttime hours. Regularly monitoring and adjusting the toilet settings contributes to efficient water management in your home, creating a sustainable and environmentally friendly plumbing system. And that concludes today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to having you in the next one. Feel free to share your suggestions for future video topics in the comments below. We value your input. Also, let us know which tip will be the most helpful for you in the coming days. Your feedback is always appreciated. See you in the following video.